Get ready for Punjab and Haryana High Court order. 5 seconds. Start. The Punjab and Haryana High Court on Tuesday suo motu directed Haryana to supply food and ration to migrant labourers in case it had not been provided so far. Stop. The state was also asked to comply with all interim directions issued by the Supreme Court in the matter. Stop. Para. The directions by the bench of Chief Justice Ravi Shankar Jha and Justice Arun Pali came during the hearing of a petition filed in public interest by the National Campaign Committee for Eradication of Bonded Labour against Haryana and other respondents. Of para. The petitioner was seeking directions to provide food and ration to 2,500 stranded migrant labourers in Faridabad district. Stop. It was stated that the persons referred to in a document were provided ration only once and were on the verge of starvation. Stop. It was stated that necessary directions were required to be issued to the authorities. Stop. Para. The bench on a specific query was informed that the committee was not registered. Stop. It asserted that the petitioner had apparently been filed by a society having no legal status or entity in the eyes of law and as such was not maintainable. Stop. The bench at the same time observed that the issue raised by the petitioner was important and as such the court was inclined to take up the issue on its own. Stop. Para. Appearing before the bench, the Haryana Additional Advocate General submitted that the state had taken all possible steps to provide necessary facilities of food, ration and transport to all migrant labour. Stop. He gave an undertaking that the authorities would look into the issue raised in the petition and take into consideration the detail and averments mentioned by the petitioner's. Top para. The bench was told that the Supreme Court had taken up the issue of migrant labourers and issued interim directions including those on providing free food and ration. Stop. It was submitted that the state was complying with the directions issued by the Supreme Court and would submit a report in this regard. Stop. In such circumstances as the Supreme Court is already seized of the matter and necessary interim directions have already been issued, we think it appropriate to dispose of the present petition directing the state to look into the issue raised in the petition and in case the food and ration etc. have not been provided to the migrant laborers mentioned therein the same be provided. The bench concluded. Stop. Para. Laying down guidelines for subordinate judicial officer in Punjab, Haryana and Chandigarh on the summoning of witnesses in criminal matters. The Punjab and Haryana High Court, among other things, has said that prosecution or defense evidence cannot be closed without initiating appropriate action against defaulting police officer failing to secure the presence of witnesses after the issuance of the process by the court. Stop. Para. Justice Arun Kumar Tyagi of the High Court also made it clear that courts were duty bound to take action against summoned witnesses who failed to appear without a lawful excuse. Stop. In his 46-page judgment in a criminal case, Justice Tyagi asserted that the court could generally not decline assistance sought by the prosecution or the accused for securing the presence of prosecution or defense witnesses. Stop. It could in fact not insist upon the production of evidence by the prosecution or the accused on its own. Stop. Para. He said that court was duty bound to initiate appropriate action against the police or any other officer of a law enforcement agency for failure of execute the process issued by it for securing the presence of the witnesses. Stop. The action against the defaulting officer oblique official was required for ensuring requisite compliance with its order and due execution of the process issued by the court. Stop. Para. It was also required to look into the reasons for non-compliance, take requisite remedial steps to make sincere efforts for ensuring compliance with its order and due execution of the process issued by its. Stop. Para. If the court allows the application and issues the process for securing presence of witnesses but they fail to appear, the court is duty bound to take action against the witnesses for their failure to appear in court without any lawful excuse. Justice Tyagi asserted. Stop. Para. The court was also required to secure the presence of the witnesses by issuing coercive process for their examination in the case and could not close the prosecution evidence on the ground of failure of prosecution or defense to produce them, Justice Tyagi said. Stop para. Referring to the statutory provision, Justice Tyagi added sufficient powers had been given to courts to compel attendance of the prosecution or defense witnesses for their examination or production of documents or any other thing. Stop. Thank you.